Hello Philippines and hello Negros Oriental State University. Welcome to AG 401. And now we're going to explore the world of beneficial arthropods and microorganisms in relation to their contribution to plants, man, and animals. And this video will be surely an amazing story. So, hang on there guys! Do you know that insects are also beneficial? Well, if you are doubted to say yes, let's look for an insect that can be found in your backyard, whom we think are harmful, but they are beneficial one. Let's go!
Scarlet mormon or red butterfly is scientifically known as Papilio romanzovea. Is native to the Philippines, Borneo, and parts of Indonesia and Taiwan. It is a butterfly of the family Papilionidae. The species was named by Johann Friedrich von Ischoltz after Nicholas Romanzo, Chancellor of Russian Empire. Why beneficial? The majority of plants need pollinators like this butterfly. They are attracted to brightly colored, fragrant flowers and feed on nectar produced by the flower. As these butterflies travel from one place to another, they pollinate the plants, resulting in further development of flowers to produce new fruits or seeds where animals and humans depend on it for food. Black garden ants is scientifically known as Lasius niger. This helps spread pollen from flower to flower, much like the bees do. Usually, this happens as garden ants are foraging food, spreading pollen from food source to food source along the way. They will also cultivate green fly, themselves pests, in order to obtain the sugary honeydew secretions that these aphids produce. On the other hand, they can be beneficial as predators of other insects and general scavengers. Tiny black ants typically found in and around the garden are not harmful, as they do serve important functions outdoors. Ants aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and control the population of other insects. Carpenter bee, scientifically known as Hylocopa spp. Bees are known of their role as the major pollinators in our garden. They are insects with wings, closely related to wasps and ants. Those best known bee species, the western honeybee is for producing honey. Why beneficial? Majority of plants in our backyard need pollinators like bees to reproduce. Just like with the butterfly in the first video clip, when they pollinate, their bodies collect pollen and carry it to other plants. This bee will show up early in the morning in our flower garden, vegetable garden, and other plants, specifically the sponge gourd plant, wing bean plant, and string beans that is present in our yard. Tarantulas is scientifically known as Theraposa sterni. This is beneficial predators and serve a significant role in keeping populations of many insect pests in check. Also, these are mostly good especially because tarantulas are highly effective insectivores, eating hearty amounts of the crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, and caterpillars that are bane in our gardens. There are hundreds of tarantula species found in most of the world's tropical, subtropical, and arid regions. They vary in color and behavior according to their specific environments. Generally, however, tarantulas are burrowers that live in the ground. Tarantulas give some people the creeps because of their large, hairy bodies and legs, but these spiders are harmless to humans except for a painful bite. And their mild venom is weaker than a typical bee's. Among arachnid enthusiasts, these spiders have become popular pets. So guys, these are the most commonly known insects that are found in our backyard, and it not just provide us the economic importance to balance the ecosystem, but also it gives us so much wherein we are relying the plants, animals, and other living organisms on these insects on how they contributed to everyone. That would be all. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot from these videos.